Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Netflix problem. To know how to fix or how to solve your Netflix problem, you should just go to settings. After that, in this page, you click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page, you will enter to the window of Netflix. When you'll find this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here we click on the window of storage. After that, we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors on your app. And in the end of all these steps, you can turn off your Wi-Fi. You will wait a moment to turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.